lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So lovelies, as you can see, today we are going to be talking about the health benefits of bell peppers. If there's any other health benefits of bell peppers that you know that you're not seeing in the video, don't forget that you can always leave that in our comment section down below. Now without further ado, let's get into knowing the health benefits of bell peppers. Did y'all know that bell peppers could help with eyesight health? Wow. I didn't know bell peppers have potassium. Oh. Bell peppers can support the immune system. Y'all didn't know bell peppers help to lower the risk of cancer. Bell peppers can help to detox our body. How interesting. Bell peppers can help to delay aging. Wow! Bell peppers can balance moods. Did you know that bell peppers can help in weight loss? Wow. Interesting. Bell peppers can help with pain. And bell peppers are great for your heart. And if you want your hair to grow, then it's time for you to start consuming bell peppers. And in conclusion, guys, all bell peppers are a great source of vitamin A, C, and K. However, the red ones are the highest in nutritional values. And if you reached this far in the video, guys, let me know which health benefits stood out to you mostly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave your comment down below, and subscribe for more.